I request Divya to lead us with a prayer.
गणपते गणपते சார்ந்துவனை துதி பாடி ஆடி உங்கள் சன்னதி சரணடைந்தோமே சார்ந்த சித்த சௌபாகியங்கள் யாவை சுந்தரு சத்குரு பிரபோ கணபதே பரிபூரண வாழ்வாயே பிரபோ கணபதே गणपते गणपते
Thank you, Divya. Good evening, one and all present here. It's my pleasure to welcome each and everyone to the Alumni Fest of Day 2. It's very happy to see all our students again. Today we have three speakers with us. On behalf of the Department of Mathematics, I welcome all the three speakers of today's program. Mr. Jomon John, who is an Assistant Manager, Finance Department, Muthoot Finance Kochi, and Dr. S. Santosh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Sri Ramakrishna Mission College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, and Mr. M. Aravind, TNPSC aspirant, Dharmaburi. On behalf of Mathematics Department, I take the opportunity to welcome all the three speakers, Mr. Jomon John, Dr. S. Santosh Kumar, and Mr. M. Aravind to this Alumni Fest of Day 2. And I welcome our Dr. Mridula Ravindran, our head Department of Mathematics, CMS College of Science and Commerce, to this alumni meet. And I welcome all the staff members of the department for this program. Again, I welcome you all, the students of mathematics department and all other alumni who are present in this gathering for this meet. Thank you. Welcome. Once again, I welcome you all to this program. I think, Jomun, can you take over the session now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good evening, madam, and all of you gathered here. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see you all here, especially Savita and my college mates after a long time. Uh, the thing is, mine was one of the first MSc back students in our college, CMS college. Here, I just want to share my thoughts. Before going that, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Jomon Pijon. I'm basically from Kerala, Pathanamthitta. After studying BSc Max, Catholic College Pathanamthitta, I joined here. Then after that, I worked in Reliance Infostream, Chennai. While I was working there, and I completed MBA in marketing and HR. Then I joined to Muthoot Finance in Delhi as a business analyst in chairman's office. Now, after that, I opted for transfer to Kochi office. Then here I am working in finance department, head office. I have two kids. One is in second standard, and another my younger one is in only 2 years old. And my wife is a homemaker. She had worked in KPMG here in Info Park. Now she is taking care of our children and homemaker only. This is my simple profile and path. And if I talk about Max, the thing why I choose Max, MSc Max, BSc Max, because I love the subject. Only for that purpose, I have joined MSc Max. I have completed clearly. Then I completed MBA as a professional degree. Then only I joined in Muthoot Finance. This is my career no, level path.
Yeah. So anybody would like to ask any more questions? Anything else you want to know? Benson, Rashid. Today Rashid has not joined. Okay. Third UG, any question?
What did
Oh, yeah, Benson, you want to ask something?
MBA where did you studied, sir? And if you
Uh,
what of campus placement you get good job in first of campus?
no. I was working in no airlines infrastructure in Chennai. During that time, I have completed. I have taken my MBA as a distance only. Then only I joined Muthoot Finance. Now normal interview from the Kottayam to Delhi office. There I worked as a business analyst. Max is very important for business analyst. We'll get much confidence after completing, after knowing the basic knowledge of Max. We can do that work very well. Even I enjoyed the business analyst work there. Here also I am doing the same work. Apart from that, some more work is they have added to me. Anyway, goods. It's going on things very, very well. In Delhi also, Max, we will get a good opportunity over there. Yeah, suppose if we count 100 people in our area, one or maximum five people will have a much idea about Max or basic things about Max. That is the importance of Max. Nobody will come direct as well versed knowledge about with Max.
So how was your life in Delhi?
It was nice. Only the climate issue I opted to transfer to opted transfer. Otherwise, I would have been there. Career path is also very will get good job offer there. I will get good salary and everything you will get much better than here in here.
Is there
Only the
va-
climate. Sorry.
is there variation in the salary part while you work in Delhi and in Kerala?
Salary part is very different. Very different.
But the concern is same. No? You are working for
Yeah.
Muthoot
Your working
Finance.
atmosphere and job and all the profile and all the things are same. Only the salary part is far different from compared to Delhi.
The institute is same. No, you were working
Same.
for
I
Muthoot
was I,
Finance
I
also.
was in the corporate office, Delhi corporate office. Here I am in the head office.
Okay. You have changed the department. No, same
No.
department.
Earlier I was in business analyst in chairman's office. Then I here finance department.
When you shift while you are getting transfer, you have variation. Is it?
Yeah, I have opted for transfer. I requested them, and they have given approved the transfer. Then I came here.
Okay.
Yes, Savita, you have any question? Savita is there. Who's not there, I think. Anybody want to ask any question? So, Joni, thank you very
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
Yes, ma'am. I don't have any questions, ma'am.
And Jaman, I think you will be till he will be here till 5 o'clock on the line.
Yeah, I'll be online.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes, I don't have any questions, ma'am. I don't have any questions, ma'am.
Okay, you're always. So, some Srija, I think we can invite some.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Mr. Jumon. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you so much for providing this opportunity, especially talking to my degree people. I'm very happy.
I have seen you in the campus, but I don't have much interaction with you while we are in the campus.
We are in the first batch in the MSc Banks, and also we enjoyed a very, much there, and in between us and ma'am, Girija ma'am, and then many experience.
Okay, I've seen you people, but
മാം കോളേജ് ലൈഫ് കൂടുതൽ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തത് CMS ലാ മാം ഞങ്ങളുടെ
okay, sir.
ബാച്ചിൽ.
Okay. Okay.
And Mridula ma'am has personally know some issues which related to me. Many things.
That was a wonderful batch.
മാം മൃദുല മാം is like a mom to us, not a teacher.
No.
Absolutely right.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jumon.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I request Dr. Santosh Kumar to share his valuable views with us.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected head of the department, and the faculty members of the Max
Video,
department.
please. Santosh, video, please.
Ma'am, it's okay?
Okay.
Respected head of the department of Max, Mridula ma'am, and other faculty members of our faculties in the mathematics department. As I'm Santosh, completed my MSc Mathematics in 2009 to 2011 batch. And unfortunately, I came from PhD Tech to...
Just a minute. Srija, mute cheyo.
Okay.
Santosh, നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ട് ഡിവൈസ് ഓൺ ചെയ്തിരിക്കீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
Some displays in the...
It's
Wait,
echoing,
ma'am,
son.
wait. Ma'am, now you okay?
Okay, okay, Santosh.
Okay.
Yeah. Unfortunately, left PhD Tech. Then only I came to CMS College of Science and Commerce in 2009. After my career path is I completed my schools in Kunnur. Then I joined BSc Mathematics in 2006 in KG College of Arts and Science. Then after my completing BSc, I joined my MSc Applied Mathematics in PhD College of Technology. I was there in the 3 months. Then I could not able to cope up that due to computer papers. Then I came to CMS College of Science and Commerce in 2009 to 2011. Then it was after completing my MSc, I joined my PhD in Karpagam University, and I joined as an assistant professor in Karpagam KG College of Arts and Science. For 2 years, I was the assistant professor. Then 2013 to 2018, I was the head of the department in KG College of Arts and Science. Then 2019 June, I was joined in Sri Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya College of Arts and Science as a assistant professor in the aided post. And I completed my MBA in CMS Institute of Management Studies in the under CPOP. This is my career path. And if you learn, especially what is the use of learning maths? It is nothing but you have a mathematics, we can divide in all the way, and I can divide at least 4 or 3 parts today. For example, maths we can divide in software industry, software, that is IT sector, and government sectors, teaching, research, and etc. And for example, if you're going to take IT sector, all IT sectors are needed mathematics people. Why? It is only thing we have a knowledge, ability, reasoning skills to solve all the problems. when we went for the Infosys for the training, in that time they have said that only mathematics students needed for solving problems what we learned in a discrete maths, that Boolean algebra is a vital role. It is for solving gates to solve, like what we are swiping a card and we entering in the room or wherever it is, that it is very useful. Our discrete mathematics is a vital role. Based on that only, they'll take a mathematics students and they'll train what field, what the required things like Oracle or whatever we need. They're training and they'll be placing. One of the topmost placement, I hope in CMS also they have placed one student, Mexity. That one, it is very useful. It is very good package also they're giving for the math students compared to the other students like computer science, MSc software students and all. We have so much of IT sector also we can go at. And same way, if you go for government sector like UPSCs and group 1, group 2, whatever exams, that exams would be taking care only with the aptitudes and reasonings, that we are more than others. And it is also useful for we are going for the government and we are clearing all the exams. Even our alumni are clear, our juniors are clear that, and they have done the good positions. I hope ma'am will interact with them also to call them, and to even they're having like aptitude trainers. They are very good in all those things and that things. And if you go for teaching, you can go with so many things like government sectors and private sectors also. Only thing, CMS is given a very good opportunity to me to be that this position today, because when I there in that PG, the project work what is carried out, it is very useful for me taking care of my PhD work. Because when I done the PG, the second year, what I did my project using image processing, the same project I was implemented in my PhD. It was very helpful. I want to thank each and every one of the faculties are helping me to complete that project and to take care to the next level in my PhD level. It was very useful. That only college we have in the Coimbatore, we learned the project work. When we doing a project, we have so many things. As a students, what will think, oh, this much work they are giving, we cannot do that, this, everything will be that. Even I'm complete, few students, after completing, they'll come for the research, they don't know about the journals. And CMS is not giving that thing. They're giving as a what is journal, what is how to do, all those things are giving to us, and to take care the research work in a perfect way. And I hope ma'am, we are requesting you to have a PhD, to bring PhD in the college, ma'am. And that's all. And if you're going for the research, we can say that so many things are there in our department itself. They're going to start. That's why I requested madam to have a research department. As a you student, the students of the PG students, you can join MPhil or PhD in our college itself, and you have so much building to build your careers there also. And that's all. Anything else you can ask me. I don't know what to talk more than this.
So he was working in KG college as well as now he's working in Ramakrishna College, and he know about Karpagam University also. So if anyone want to know about these institutions also, you can ask. So how does it differ from CMS, or what is the difference there? Anything if you want to know, you can ask him.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, what is your specialization paper in PhD?
My specialization is fuzzy, ma'am. fuzzy image processing using a neural networks. Hello.
Savita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm there, ma'am. But today I'm having a lot of network issues. So in between, my voice is not getting clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, neural networking. Can you just what is it? Because I have heard about
It's
it,
not.
but I don't know what is it clearly, and it is related to which paper.
It's nothing but, ma'am, what we learn in a computer science and neural networks. The neurons and axons are together. It is called as a neural network. The same thing, what we are going to do was connected with a fuzzy logic, how taking an image of a brain and having an algorithm of 5 algorithms. Based on that algorithms, will be saying that which image will be the extractants and getting a color images. Like for MRI image, if you take, it is a blur image. We can have it a what is called a building like detection algorithm. Based on that fuzzy detection algorithm, we can cluster the each means, and using a fuzzy C means algorithm, we can find that all those things.
Sir, so it is based on graph theory.
It's a based on application oriented of fuzzy logic.
Fuzzy logic.
Fuzzy logic. So fuzzy logic is in graph theory.
No, ma'am. It comes under what set theory. Fuzzy set.
Fuzzy set.
Fuzzy set, then fuzzy logic, like that.
In set theory, Savita, we have either it is an element or it is not an element. Whereas when you have confusion, whether it is inside or outside, or this much percentage it is inside, this much percentage is outside, something like that, it's a confusing stage. There we apply fuzzy set.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
For example, Srija ma'am will say always whether somebody is beauty, according to me is beauty, according to others will be ugly. We cannot derive, no, ma'am, like that. Srija ma'am example I quoted over here. Any? Ma'am, anything else?
I think she has network issue.
Okay.
Yes. Any other questions?
And one more thing, my humble request for the PG student, that is final year, when those are done the second year, the BSc Maths, those going for the third year, you group yourself where you're going to do. Because when you take a bus, what we'll do, we'll take a ticket to where we are going. We have started our journey 2 years ago, 2 years are over, and only final years is that where we are going to stop. That is nothing but your destination, whether you're going for IT or teacher, or you're going to your higher studies, whatever it is, you take, you form a group, and based on the group, you have a group discussions and all those things. For example, if you're going for TNPSC group 1, group 2 exams and all to clear, it will be very useful when you have like the group discussions. You solve all the problems when inside the classroom itself. That all will be helpful when you're having all the exam, whatever the exams comes to clear, it will be very useful. And for example, if you're going for the teacher, like I'm going for the teacher or B.Ed, you have some interaction with Mridula ma'am. Ma'am is very helpful to do all those things. Only thing, we need to go on madam to torture it, to have ma'am, please help, because madam is very upset nowadays. No one is not asking anything. Please, you come forward and ask with faculties. They are very helpful for everyone. Because of them only we are all today with these positions. You have some interaction with all of them. Don't go after the college hour. Be there for half an hour or 1 hour. Have a discussions with everybody, and you have some interaction with the faculties. It will be very useful. When after this time you think that as a student you'll think that it will be not at all useful, but definitely it will be useful at any one time. It will be more useful for those who are going for the higher studies, or completing exams, all those things. And even for example, if you're going for the higher studies, doing a research or something else, madam can call us for this Google Meet or whatever it is. Those are the foreign also nowadays. They can connect with us, and we will also helpful for you all. That's all, ma'am. Anything else, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes,
Anything else? Any other question from anyone?
Santosh, how you feel working in private sector and in aided sector? That is in government sector.
Wow.
I don't know how to say.
I'm just enjoying now.
Are you enjoying or
Yeah, ma'am.
not only monetary side? I'm asking either side.
It was literally, I can't say anything over them. It was very different culture, ma'am.
Where you enjoyed the most?
Ma'am, when I was in the KG, it is very hectic, and I'll be more stressed. Now everything was clear. I was very freedom over here. There is no logbook, nothing else. Only we are going to take class and we are coming back. That's it. Even we cannot talk if the student what I'm saying over here, like a group, and we discuss all those things. It's not happening over there and all. Even the students are not coming forward. All those things.
Srija ma'am.
Savi?
അല്ലല്ല മൃദുല മാം പറയൂ, ഞാൻ എന്നിട്ട് പറയാം.
No, what we do in self-financing college up to actually did in 2 years in KG. Or how many years did you work in KG, Santosh?
I was on 8 years, ma'am.
8 years. So in 8 years itself, he has done that much work. So now he's free. That's what I will say. Because in KG, I think he used to work from morning 8 o'clock to evening 8. So that compensation.
Because of the hard work, all those things, I learned so much things from there, ma'am.
That's what I would say. So in young age, we should do whatever work is given to us. That will be with us till our death.
Yeah, the perfection all I came from you all, ma'am.
We should. In young age, we should never hesitate to work. That's what gives us experience.
ശ്രീജ മാം, ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യന് ഞാൻ ഉത്തരം പറയട്ടെ. എയ്ഡഡില് പണിയെടുക്കണ്ട, അൺഎയ്ഡഡില് പണിയെടുക്കണം.
എന്നാ സവി?
എയ്ഡഡില് പണിയെടുക്കണ്ട, അൺഎയ്ഡഡില് പണിയെടുക്കണം.
പക്ഷെ അൺഎയ്ഡഡില് നിറയെ പഠിക്കാം.
അൺഎയ്ഡഡില് നിറയെ പഠിക്കാം. എല്ലാ ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സിനും പഠിക്കാം. Every characters, and we will know the difference between the appointments, ma'am. Category wise നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാ ഇതാവുക എന്നുള്ളതൊക്കെ അൺഎയ്ഡഡിൽ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും മാം.
അൺഎയ്ഡഡിൽ കുറെ
കാര്യങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കാനുണ്ടാവും മാം.
പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റും.
പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ പണിയെടുത്തില്ല പറഞ്ഞ ആരും ചോദിക്കില്ല. Nobody will ask us that whether you have gone for a lecture or you have not gone for a lecture. If we want satisfaction, we have to go for the lecture. For example, ma'am, in our college, once a classroom was locked. So I went and complained to the principal, sir, classroom is locked. My 2 lectures are there for me for FY BCom. That is when I was joined. This is in 2012, I think. At that time, sir was telling me, ma'am, why are you bothered? They have gone. You go and enjoy your free time. This was the answer given by the principal to me. If students are not least bother, why should we bother? Like this, we cannot be in a aided sector, unaided sector. Nobody cares in aided. If you go for your satisfaction also, you cannot take lecture because others won't take lecture. So we have to leave our lecture and sit simply. This is the thing happening in aided sector. Because some staffs, they are not willing to take lecture. They will tell the students to go from the college. This happens in our college, that is where I am working. There it happens. So this is the answer given by the principal to me. This is the main difference, ma'am. But pani edukana avada pani edukanda.
But in Coimbatore nowadays, all the aided and government colleges are working very effectively. I should tell this because
ma'am, the classes are going very effectively only, ma'am. There is we cannot live as even when the faculties are leave, we need to go for the adjustments also. Those are interested, we can go and take a class.
happening because of the tuition classes, ma'am.
Yeah,
This is
no, I
happening because in North, what is the thing is they don't depend upon colleges. Even for MSc and for MPhil also, they have tuition classes. I was very much surprised. That is for degree and engineering, all they are coming to me and asking, ma'am, a paper, can you teach this paper for us? They are coming for tuitions because staffs are not. This is a cycle, ma'am. Staffs are not teaching, so students are going for tuition. Students are not going to tuition, so that is happening, ma'am.
That is true. But here, I think government college, previously it was not like that, but of late, every staff, especially mathematics department, it's teaching very well. And aided colleges, even before, I think they were very strict on it. Only government college was a little bit like this, but now the government college also has changed. So we should thank.
Ma'am, but one more thing, ma'am, in any colleges, the maths department will be the only department
Very
which will be
strict.
working.
That is
Because in our college also, the sincere department is our department. All of us, we go for our lectures. In any of the department, they won't go, but we go for we are the headache for other departments.
yes, that is correct. So I think one of our alumni, Rajiv, has joined. How are you, Rajiv? Rajiv? Yeah. Where is anyone there? Any other alumni?
Any-
I can see Rajiv. No, I don't see. Yeah, who has joined in as Vatsala Haridasan? Valsala Haridasan?
Ma'am, it's me, Anju, second MSc, ma'am.
Anju. Okay, Anju. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I just wanted to know whether it is any alumni. We should not neglect them. That's why I asked. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, any other question to Dr. Santosh?
Uma ma'am has started something to ask, ma'am.
Yeah, Uma ma'am, please.
Santosh,
Ma'am?
Srinivas enna ketappo, that was the question.
Oh,
That's the
okay.
same question I thought of asking you. Okay, I got the
Yeah.
answer.
Okay.
Why I
Definitely, I'm
asked that
happy.
was,
No, definitely, I'm happy that one of our student is in aided post. We are very happy.
yeah,
Thank you,
Congratulations.
ma'am.
because
Thank you. With you
you
all,
can,
this thing has completed all those things.
Santosh, I asked that question because you worked for KG and as well as for Karpagam University. So you
Actually,
have,
I thought of asking Santosh. There you worked as a HOD. Here you are
Okay.
you are under one HOD. So what? How do you feel the difference between those? That was the question I was to put. But anyhow, I got the answer.
That is not.
But you have to answer
Yeah, there is no problem at all, ma'am. KG, the HOD is very critical, ma'am. Then now I'm very free to talk with everyone. And there I cannot talk with even very strict to be there as a HOD. Now that all it is not there, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Congratulations, Santosh.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am.
congrats, Santosh.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
We are very happy that our student is in aided post.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Any other questions?
Mridula, ma'am.
Yes, Santosh. How is your
Ma'am,
Yeah.
PG, UG students final year, you can have a group project, ma'am. Even though there is no marks, ma'am.
This time they did a group project. They were.
Yeah, ma'am. That will be helpful when they go for PG projects, ma'am. That alone, I want to share that, ma'am, to you. That's it.
This time they did a project on coronavirus. So all were
Okay,
data,
ma'am.
collecting data. Then they did the statistical analysis.
Okay,
Using
ma'am.
SPSS, they produced reports,
Okay.
submitted. They did this time. They did it.
Even though they don't have the marks, let them have it. At least they can take a journal to review what is there, ma'am. That will be helpful when they go for PG projects.
Yes. So this year actually we got a DBT fund.
Yeah,
So
ma'am. Yeah.
we'll be having that fund. So we have to do something. So the
Okay, ma'am.
students should be benefited and they should do something. It is not just listening to some lectures. So the
Okay,
output
ma'am.
should be shown. So that's
Okay,
it.
ma'am. Okay.
We wanted the students to do it. So they did and submitted.
And one more thing to all the students of not present, you have very good thing. You all have a value added courses that will be helpful for your careers, but we don't have that and all when we are learning that. Please take care of your value added courses. Don't bunk the value added classes and go back. Or and all they're giving and MATLAB, I hope so, LaTeX and all. It will be more useful when you come out of the college. Take care of very seriously the courses, value added courses. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, the thing is, they are students, so we know about how the student will behave. So
Yeah,
now they don't know the seriousness of it. So when they go out and they need it again, they'll have to spend and learn all these things.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes.
They have to spend
Very
both
much cost, ma'am.
money
We
as well
cannot
as
learn.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And
Anything
one
else?
more thing, we have YouTube channel as well. So we have put so many videos in that. All the lectures
Okay.
are uploaded in the YouTube. So I'll
Okay,
put the link in the group. All of you please
Yeah.
watch it and please subscribe also.
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, definitely, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Santosh. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Santosh.
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Now I request Mr. Aravind to share his views with us.
Ma'am.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can tell. Video on பண்ணிட்டே சொல்லுங்க.
Ma'am, what I tell, ma'am?
So what are you doing now? How do you feel?
Ma'am, I'm studying, ma'am, still studying. Yesterday I tell him all details. You are all teachers, my teachers. You're speaking. I'm always your student, Rana. Ma'am?
So எதனால இதுக்கு போனீங்க அந்த லைனுக்கு போனீங்க அது பண்ணிட்டு என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க something like that you say so that உங்க ஜூனியர்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷனா இருக்கட்டும்.
மேம் நான் வளர்ந்த விதம் அப்படி தமிழ்ல பேசலாம்ல மேம்?
பேசுங்க நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
மேம் அதுக்கு சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல்ல தான் படிச்சுட்டு வந்தேன். கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூலு, கவர்மெண்ட் எம்ப்ளாயிஸ் எங்க ஊர்ல கொஞ்சம் அதிகம் மேம். எங்க பின்தங்கிய குடும்பம்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லலாம் எங்க வீட்டை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். என் பக்கத்துல இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாமே கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்டாஃப்ல இருப்பாங்க. எங்க மாமா கூட கவர்மெண்ட் டீச்சரா தான் இருக்காரு. சுத்தி எல்லாமே கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்டாஃபா தான் இருக்காங்க மேம்.
என்ன அரவிந்த் எல்லாரும் கவர்மெண்ட் ஜாப் கிடைக்கிறதுக்காக பாத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க, நீங்க ரொம்ப
மேம் இல்ல ஆமா இல்ல சொல்றேன் மேம். பட் இருந்தாலும் எங்களை பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் தனியா இருப்பேன். என்னோட சொந்தக்காரங்க எல்லாமே ஒரு அளவுக்கு செட்டில்டா இருக்கிறாங்க. ஆனா என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா நானும் தனியா தான் இருக்கேன், என் குடும்பமும் தனியா தான் இருக்கு. சோ அவங்க முன்னாடி வாழணும்னாலும் சரி, எந்திரிச்சு நிக்கணும்னாலும் சரி, பிரைவேட் ஜாப்ல போயிட்டு ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ண முடியாது மேம். சோ இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு போஸ்டிங்ல இருந்தாதான் கொஞ்சம் வெயிட்டா இருக்குன்ட்டு ஒரு வாழ்ந்து காட்டணும் மேம், அவ்வளவுதான் மேம். அதே சமயம் எங்களுக்கு இப்ப கவர்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து ஏதாவது கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா வைங்களா மேம், அந்த வீடு ஆகட்டும், ஆடு மாடு கோழி சம்திங் ஏதோ இருந்தாலும் கவர்மெண்ட் கொடுக்குற சலுகைகள் அத்தனையுமே முழுசா எங்களுக்கு சேர்றதில்ல மேம். அதாவது இருக்கப்பட்டவங்களுக்கு மட்டுமே போய் சேருது மேம். இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் சொன்னேன், இப்ப கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்டாஃப் இருக்கிறவங்க அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு மட்டுமே அந்த இலவச வீடுகள் எல்லாமே அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு மட்டுமே போகும் மேம். இல்லாதவங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு வீடு கூட அலாட் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. ஆடு மாடு எதுவுமே கவர்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து கொடுக்கக்கூடிய அத்தனையுமே இருக்கக்கூடிய மக்களுக்கு மட்டும்தான் மேம் போகுது. இல்லாத எங்களை மாதிரியான ஆளுக்கு ஒழுங்கா போய் சேர்றது இல்ல. அது எதனாலன்னு தெரியல மேம். கவர்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கறது பாத்தீங்கன்னா இல்லாதவங்களுக்கு தான் கொடுக்குறாங்க, ஆனா இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு தான் அது போய் சேருது. சோ நாம அந்த இடத்துல இருந்தாதான் அடித்தட்டு மக்களாகி, அதாவது அவங்களுக்கு போய் சேருதா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு பாக்கணும்னு ஒரு தாட் மேம். அவ்வளவுதான், அவங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது செய்யணும் அப்படின்றதுதான்.
அரவிந்த் எம்எஸ்சி முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க எப்படி அதுக்கப்புறம் இருக்கிற உங்களோட ப்ரோக்ரஸ் சொல்றீங்களா? எம்எஸ்சிங்க முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் பிஎஸ்சி. ஓகே
கோச்சிங் நவ.
ஓகே
பிஜி பண்ணலாம் தான். பட் இருந்தாலும் ஆல்ரெடி ரொம்ப டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன் மேம். உங்களுக்கே தெரியும் நான் எவ்வளவு டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. நான் சொல்லணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை மேம், உங்க எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். ஏன்னா ஸ்டாஃப் உங்களை நான் எப்பவும் மறக்க மாட்டேன். ரொம்ப டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன் மேம். அதனாலதான் சரி இந்த ஒரு முடிவு. திருப்பியும் பிஜி பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்ட்டா படிக்கலாம் மேம். படிக்கிறத விட கொஞ்சம் ஜாலியாவே இருக்கும். டைம் ரொம்ப இன்னும் வேஸ்ட் ஆகும் மேம். ஸோ அதுக்கு விரும்பல மேம் நான். அதனாலதான் இந்த ஒரு முடிவு மேம். ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு மேம். எவ்வளவு தூரம் ஓட போறேன்னு தெரியல, பார்க்கலாம் மேம். முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு சீக்கிரம் போய் சேர்ந்துருவேன்னு ஒரு நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு. ஆனா நான் போனா கம்பல்சரி உங்களுக்கு தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மெசேஜ் வரும், இந்த மாதிரி உங்ககிட்ட படிச்சேன், நான் இந்த மாதிரி போயிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு.
அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா அரவிந்த் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் எல்லாம்?
மேம் இல்ல மேம், குரூப் 4 ஒரு தடவை அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணேன் மேம். குரூப் 1 இப்ப அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணல மேம்.
பேங்கிங் அப்டேட் பண்றீங்களா? பேங்கிங்க்கும்
இல்ல மேம், பேங்கிங்
டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மட்டும்.
டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மட்டும்.
சரி சரி.
ஓகே,
கண்டிப்பா கிடைக்கும். இந்த உங்களோட வாழ்த்துக்கள் எல்லாரோடவும்.
தேங்க்யூ மேம், தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
Yes, Aravind. So we all pray to God. Your wishes should be successful.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ மேம், தேங்க்யூ.
பட் என்ன சொல்றது, டிட்டர்மினேஷன் நல்லதுதான்.
ஓகே மேம்.
அது இல்லாம மத்தவங்க மேல இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் விட்டுருங்க. யூ ஜஸ்ட் லுக் ஃபார் யுவர் செல்ஃப்.
ஓகே மேம்.
அவங்க எல்லாம் அப்படி பண்றாங்க இப்படி பண்றாங்க எல்லாம் பார்த்து நம்மளையே என்ன சொல்றது, அந்த ஒரு இதுலயே நம்ம அந்த அவுட் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அண்ட் டென்ஷன் வில் லூஸ் மெனி திங்ஸ். ஸோ மற்றவங்க கவனிக்காம நம்மளோட இதுல மட்டும் வி ஷுட் கான்சென்ட்ரேட். தட்ஸ் வாட் ஐ வில்.
ஓகே மேம், தேங்க் யூ மேம்.
பிகாஸ் எனக்கு தெரியும், நான் நிறைய இடத்துல டென்ஷனா இருக்கேன், ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸா இருக்கும். அதனால என்ன ஆகுனா, லூசர் இஸ் மை செல்ஃப். எனக்கு டென்ஷன் ஆனாலும் எனக்கு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் வந்தாலும் வேற யாரும் எந்த ஒண்ணுமே லூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. ஐ வில் பி லூசிங். ஸோ வி ஷுட்.
எஸ் மேம்.
அதனால சுத்தில இருக்கிறவங்க எப்படி இருந்துட்டு போறாங்க, ஐ வில் பி லைக் திஸ், அந்த ஒரு இதுக்கு வந்துருங்க. தட் இஸ் குட்.
சரிங்க மேம், சரிங்க.
ஓகே, விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
தேங்க் யூ மேம், தேங்க் யூ.
ஸோ யாராவது ஏதாவது கேட்குறீங்களா? எங்க கோச்சிங் எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க, வாட் ஹி இஸ் டூயிங், ஹவ் இஸ் ஹி ப்ரிப்பேரிங் ஃபார் த எக்ஸாமினேஷன்? எனிபடி வாண்ட் டு ஆஸ்க் எனி क्वेश्चन ஆன் தட்? எங்க கோச்சிங் போயிட்டு இருக்கீங்க அரவிந்த்?
இப்ப வீட்ல தான் மேம் இருக்கேன்.
வீட்ல இருந்தே
கோயம்புத்தூர். ஆமா மேம், கோயம்புத்தூர்ல தான் சென்ட்ரல் லைப்ரரியில தான் போயிட்டு இருந்தேன். இப்ப கொரோனா லாக்டவுன்றதால வீட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டேன் மேம். வீட்ல தான் ஸ்டடீஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. வீட்ல இருந்து ஏதாவது பார்ட் டைம் ஜாப் ஏதாவது பண்றீங்களா?
இல்ல மேம், பார்ட் டைம் ஜாப்ல எதுவும் பண்ணல மேம்.
ஓகே. So anything else anybody would like to ask or say anything? Any boss இல்லையா இன்னைக்கு? boss
சார் இருக்காரு மேம்.
இருக்கு மேம், இருக்கு மேம்.
பேசுங்க பேசுங்க, உங்க ஸ்டூடண்ட் வந்திருக்காங்க, நீங்க பேசாம.
இல்ல படிச்சிட்டு படிக்கட்டும் படிக்கட்டும்
மேம். சார் எப்பவுமே பேசுறதே இல்ல மேம்.
ஆமா, சந்தோஷம். உங்க
அல்மினி மீட்னு சொல்லி கூப்பிடுறாரு, ஆனா வர்றது மட்டும் இல்ல மேம். போன டைம் அல்மினிலயும் பேசுனது பேச மாட்டேங்க.
பேசுற சார்
நேர்ல தான் பேசுவார் அதிகமா.
நல்லா படி அரவிந்த்.
சார் ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ சார். உங்களுடைய ஆசீர்வாதம் எப்போ எனக்கு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி நான் அந்த கடவுளுக்கு.
ஓகே ஓகே, பை.
சரிங்க சரிங்க, பாய் சார்.
Thank you Arvind, thank you very much for joining.
Ma'am, thank you ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Thank you Arvind, thank you. All the very best.